How to fix overexposed video in Premiere Pro. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Alright, so here's the video that I'm working with today. As you can see, this video is overexposed. There's too much white going on here. Now to do that, you're going to head over to effects and you're going to look for lumetric color. Now I'm going to add this one to our clip. And then from here, you're going to open the basic correction. Now from here, you're just going to go ahead and play with the light. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and adjust the highlights and the shadows mainly. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust this one, say for example, around that. Okay, and then for the shadows as well, let's go ahead and adjust this one according to our liking. So yeah, it is going to depend really on how much you're going to put here or what you like the most. So in my case, I think this one is going to be okay. As you can see, the colors are a lot better right now. You can go ahead and click this one here to disable it, and you should be able to see how it looks like before. And that is how to fix overexposed video in Premiere Pro.